Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys a collage. So this is my Alaska junk journal that we've been working on, and we've gotten this far on it. And if you're interested in following from the beginning, I will put the playlist at the end screen of this video. So at the very end, you can check it out. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. And today I want to work on a journal page that I want to put in. And what I have here is a bunch of different fabrics that I've cut out, Alaska themed fabrics. And what I want to do is go ahead and sew them. So you just take a piece of fabric. And the cool thing about this is you don't have to just do fabric. You could do paper. I got some newspaper that I cut out. From this, and I've showed you guys on one of the videos, it is a menu from one of the restaurants in Alaska, or in Anchorage. And it's pretty cool, and it's got all kinds of just neat little pictures and stuff in it. So I cut some of those out to add to it, and I'm going to do a collage. Now, you could do it on a paper bag. You could do it on a piece of just craft paper, or deli paper would work great. Anything like that, the same concept would be perfect. And you don't need fabric, like I said. You could just do all paper. And I'm going to incorporate sewing today, so you don't have to do that. You could just use glues. And my recommended glue to you, if you did this, would be the Fabrifix glue, because it works great with fabric. So I like using that one. And anything, stuff I'm using like the Fabrifix and like deli paper or something like that, it's I have Amazon links down below if you come check them out. And I really do appreciate your guys' clicks on those. It really helps. Okay, so what I'm doing is just making a collage here. So I'm just gonna, and the reason I'm flipping it over like this is because when it is in my journal, I'm thinking I want it the cover page here. So like I'll have the collage all in the front here, and then this will be on the other side. So you'll have the pretty fabric on that side, and then our pretty collage on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'll show you guys the different pieces I have here. Okay, so I'm just laying them down for now, but just fun little, and the cool thing is you could just take it and, you know, trim it however you want them. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out some of your collage stuff and piecing it together and seeing what we could do today. All right, so we got that, and we got a cute little bear, and then a moose, and some bear paws, which are fun. And I like getting it frayed, because I think the more frayed it is, the better it looks, or just, you know, for funsies. I like it. I like the look of it. But that is a preference of however you like it. So I'm just laying these down for now. And I think the bear is cute, and then a killer whale, and then another bear. So I'm just going to get these all laid out. Oh, and trees, some fun trees here. And I'm gonna get these just laid out how I want them, and then I will take them to my sewing machine and do some fun just stitching throughout and see how it turns out. All right, so I got it all laid out how I want it. And I'm thinking I have some extra threads here that I always keep from projects. And this red thread is from this project. I've been trying to incorporate a little red in here. And what I want to do is I'm going to lay the thread throughout and try to just make it look just fun and connected, and just a little whimsical. I think it would be kind of neat. So I'm just going to kind of lay it around, have it like swirl like that. I mean, there's no real rhyme or reason to any of it, just to have it on here for more texture. I think would look cool. And then when I go to sew it, I'll just sew it all down and go from there and see how it turns out. Okay, so I just did a little bit of thread throughout, and I'm going to take my Scotch-Crate glue stick and just tack down the fabric pieces and the paper pieces, just so it doesn't go flying off when I'm sewing. And one more thing is I would suggest after you do, just do a tiny bit of glue on the glue stick. You know, it's glue sticking down, just a little bit of glue. You don't need much. And I would let it maybe dry for a little bit. If you use a little more than usual, because you don't want your needle to get gummed up, your sewing machine needle to get gummed up when you sew through the glue. So I'll let this dry for just a little bit, and then I will just do a random sewing throughout. All right, so I think it turned out pretty cool here. And look at that. You can just see all the sewing around like that. And then you can see it on this side a little better. So it's pretty fun. So all you got to do is just get some pieces out that you want to use, either paper or fabric. Will work the same, sewing or gluing, however you want to do it. And just get out some fun pieces that you want to work with and sew them down or glue them down. And you come up with a really cool collaged journal page is what I think I'm going to go ahead and use to put this in here. So I think that would be a fun little additive to this. And it would be a nice little journal-like front page here. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.